In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Drive folder ID. This is a simple and effective process that will help you easily locate the unique identifier for any folder in your Google Drive. Whether you're sharing folders or integrating with other applications, knowing how to find this ID is essential. First, open your browser. If you are using Chrome, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu of Google services. This helps you quickly access your various Google applications without typing each URL manually. It streamlines your workflow, making it easier to navigate to Google Drive. Next, click on the Drive option from the drop-down menu. This action takes you directly to your Google Drive homepage. Here you will see all your files and folders organized in a familiar layout. This matters because having quick access to your drive is crucial for managing and locating your documents efficiently. You should already be logged in with your Google account on your personal device, which simplifies the process even further. Now, double-click the specific folder you want to find the ID for. This action opens the folder, revealing its contents. It is important to navigate into the correct folder since the ID corresponds to one specific location in your drive. Once you double-click, you will see the files contained within. This step gives you a clear view of what is in that folder, ensuring you are focused on the right area. After opening the folder, look up at your browser's address bar at the top of the screen. This bar displays the URL for the page you are currently on. It is crucial to pay attention to this area, as it contains the information you need. The address bar serves as a direct link to the folder, and understanding its structure will help you locate the folder ID effectively. Next, locate the URL, which will look something like this: https://drive.google.com/drive/folders/123456789 This URL is essential for identifying and accessing your folder. The unique format of the URL indicates that you are in the Google Drive environment, and it will contain specific details about the folder you are viewing. This step is important because it sets you up for the next action where you will extract the folder ID from this URL. The folder ID is the long string of random letters and numbers that appears after /folders/. This string is unique to your folder and is crucial for sharing or accessing it programmatically. For example, if the URL is https://drive.google.com/drive/folders/123456789 abcdfg, the folder ID is 123456789 abcdfg. Understanding how to identify and extract this ID allows you to share the folder more efficiently or integrate it into other applications. Now that you know how to find the Google Drive folder ID, you can easily manage your files and share them as needed. With this knowledge, you can enhance your productivity by efficiently locating and utilizing folders within Google Drive. Remember, each step you've taken leads to a more organized digital workspace, making it easier for you to collaborate and share.